Have you ever opened Parashara's light and thought, where do I begin? I feel really lost and overwhelmed. You're not alone. Hi, I'm Tahia Lemire from Readings with Tahia. I'm a Vedic astrologer with a tech obsession, and here to show you how to get going on Parashara's light. Many moons ago, when I began studying Vedic astrology, I realized it was just as important to understand how to use a software as it was to understanding the astrology and the techniques. I remember feeling overwhelmed. I didn't really know how to approach the software, so what I did was started creating my own playbooks and cheat sheets to understand all the features and layers. If you've been struggling to navigate Parashara's light and maybe software is just not your thing, or maybe it is, but you need a little bit of help. These tutorials will give you a simple, clear foundation, how to navigate through it step by step so it feels manageable and approachable. I'm currently using Parashara's Lite 9.0, which is the latest and greatest version as of this recording. If you're using an earlier version, that's totally fine. The core layout is generally the same, though your screen and UI may look a little different. One of the best things about Parashara's Light that I really love and appreciate, it is one of the very few, if only, Vedic astrology softwares that's natively available for both a Mac and a PC. I've worked on both systems, and I'll point out any key differences along the way. This first video is an introduction to the channel. In the upcoming tutorials, I'll walk you through how to create a birth chart, what each screen and tab does, tips to save your preferences, and how to make the software work for you and not overwhelm you. Whether you're a beginner, advanced, or just want a little bit of clarity and help, my goal is to help you feel confident in using Parashara's Light. So go ahead and subscribe. If there's a specific area of Parashara's Light you want to learn, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and welcome to the light.